Go on everybody, this is your boy Dante. Just thank you guys for liking, subscribing and sharing. Continue to do the same thing. Welcome to my channel, guys. As you know, this is just about in my life, things that happen, things that I see and do on a daily basis. Alright, so if you like the content, don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Alright, peace. Yeah, so no, it's not. No, not that. Oh, sorry. Yes, guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Dante. In a real life with Dante. Alright, so I wasn't planning on doing any vlogging until I took a trip I'm going to take, right? So this is my birthday weekend, and I said, alright, I'm not going to do any vlogging until I actually am on the trip. So it's about traveling the first time since COVID, traveling outside of Jamaica. Alright, but a couple of weeks ago, one of my subscribers reached out to me and said they wanted to send a gift. I should give them some shipping information and support. Me, I said, alright. I mean, the thing I don't meet the Mitchens. Yeah, you understand? I have the first cousin and them thing there, but I say, alright, cool. And then lo and behold, today the package reach. I say, wait, alright, see what I go on. So I open the package already, as you can see. I said, now I have to put them in back. And when I see them people I do unboxing. So this like it's a bag, so I do unbagging, I say, yo, like, this is super cool. Alright, so the first thing, so apparently quite a number of my subscribers are concerned about me holding the phone in my hand. So I got this awesome smartphone car mount. Yeah, well needed. Zine. But so the car mount thing, I say, alright, well needed, and yeah, I like it. And let me say another box, and I say, I want to go in another box here. I'm gonna open the box. Like, me a proper YouTuber now. Unu can't talk to me, Unu cannot talk to me right now. Me say me a YouTuber, right? Yeah. So this is a professional smartphone video photography kit. What I say? Professional. Yeah, professional. And so I'm showing now like a sneak peek. I don't want, me have some feisty subscribers, And some of my brethren, them them feisty, you say, oh, an empty box. So, see what I go on. Sure, hold on. I'm gonna edit out the part there and put on the phone now. Look upon the good things them. No, hear me I tell you. You see the mic, the mic, is like some professional, like I work with CVM and TVJ and CNN and them thing. You understand? Some professional thing. Kind of regular mic, look on my mic. Professional. Yeah. So all the little gadgets and them little thing in there. So yeah. Look out for better quality sound and all of that jazz. You have to read up all the manual and line up the thing and set up the thing, cause like I'm a professional now, so you understand. So hear me I say, don't go nowhere, cause I see the rest of the vlog I'm mad. The rest of this vlog is going to be about, as I said, traveling for the first time, like, outside of Jamaica. It's been 2 years, solid 2 years. I jump on the Iron Bird, traveling to Fort Lauderdale. So going some different places and so forth. It's business and pleasure. Birthday weekend, but you know, some business a part of it. But you know, you guys will get to see how that turn out in a real life. We do. Yeah, boy, Donte, man. But yo, I feel so special. Like, you know, before I started watching Meet the Mitchells, I'd hide and watch it, you know. And the girls watching it in the house. Yes, you know, kind of pre-work on, and I saw them getting stuff, and you know, it's a joy. Yeah, it's a joy, and to see that, like, you know, I'm 180 something subscribers, and still somebody saw the need to do that. I'm truly grateful, because you know, we live in a world right now. You know, nobody don't do anything for anybody really, and for somebody to do that, you know, to spend their money and do something like that, I am truly grateful, and I will be putting them to good use. But stay tuned, don't go nowhere, because you see the rest of the vlog. Nah, man, I lie. Alright, so guys, right, shine, so I just did my COVID test. Sorry I didn't get to record the testing. Remember after. But trust me, not painful, but tickle, man. Cheese and peas. I almost laugh out in there. But take a look at this place. Clean and nice. I'm not showing the sign, you know, there's a free promo. But look at the place, yo. Clean. Yeah, so I guess the first leg is doing our COVID test. So yeah, guess tomorrow we'll see what the port looks like. And to be honest, traveling, I hate traveling. I love to travel, but the whole airport can't bother. Like, much because I snap my finger and reach your more. I mean, I don't feel so. No. Okay, so yeah, as I say, stay tuned. This one is, you know, it's going to be different. Yeah, I hope it's not too long though, but yeah, you know, just gonna try and capture all the different moments and so forth. And remember, it's your boy's birthday weekend, so you know what thing going on, right? Nah, man, I lie. Guys, I totally forgot everything. I forgot everything, but we're in the airport. Nice service and everything.
Yo, I don't like you.
Should I remind me? So we need to start a vlog, but yeah, I'm going to check in now and things. So yeah, I'll keep you posted when we start out everything. Alright, I'm telling you, this one was going to be exciting. I'm telling you, so stay tuned, alright?
Alright, so as I said, this is our first time traveling past 2 years. It's a
exciting feeling. You know that excitement I get when you're traveling, you know?
But you know, it's a birthday weekend, so actually I get a one bus me. So we're going to the Club Mobile Lounge. Yeah, you know, just kick back, relax, and have a few drinks before the flight, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, yeah, so the process hasn't been so hectic so far. We're going to the security checkpoint now, so let's see how that goes. I don't want to do too much vlogging inside here, you know, to capture other people and so forth, but yeah. Alright, so as soon as we get to the launch then, I'll show you guys what's happening, alright? So I wanted to show you guys coming through the checkpoint, but yo, they must send a camera not allowed in there. You understand? So I'm gonna put that out real quick. But we're in the liquor area trying to get some stuff. You have to pay attention because yours truly now I watch the people and things, you know. But yeah, so I'm about to go to our gate, and yeah, so as soon as we get to that point then I'll show you what's happening. But I mean, just for I'm a little scared. So after my stay, so now, you know, cause you don't know here, boy, a regular traveler, them type reach up at the security thing now and, you know, check in electronics and
bag of slide-through machine. Machine I make B9 beat. I say yes Lord, I eat this now. Them check the bag. The bag have saltfish, actually saltfish in there. I'm say think them more dash it. I'm carry some saltfish in my auntie. You know. See him? She said saltfish in them. I said shit, I'm gonna dash her the saltfish. She said no, it's all good. Yeah, you know, everything did good same way. But yeah. About going at the lounge area thingy. So I'm gonna reach it, so I'm gonna show them how I'm going, you know. But yeah, you know, experience good so far. Yeah, it's going to be an awesome trip. It's going to be good right through. So I'll keep you guys posted it all, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So as I said, first trip in the last 2 years, post COVID. Yeah. So it's a movie. It's a movie, guys. Yo, I'm not telling no lie. I didn't know that I would miss the airport smell. You know that the coffee smell there. Yeah. You know, the first time I travel, I never feel so frightened. Yeah, I'm frightened today. Yeah, man. Like, I recommend traveling to everyone. Even if you don't have a visa for different countries, check to see where your passport, whatever passport you have, where it can bring you. Yeah, man. Check to see where in the world your passport can bring you and jump on a flight. Sometimes it's not as expensive as you think. Check out my shirt. Yeah. But sometimes it's not as expensive as you think. You know what I mean? Oh. Okay, so this is where we're going to chill for a minute. And I'm sure now I'm going to reach inside. Alright. So look who me run into. Swear she's cute. Swear she's a testing. All this time. Alright, she boss now, she boss. Alright, so going through our
Oh, I got the name. Is this the two? Yeah. Sorry. 2 for seats. She'll take you to a seat inside, okay? Restroom is down the hall to the right.
okay. Alright.
What's your last name?
Green. Like Morris.
Oh, yes.
One.
You
Okay.
were expecting.
Thank you. Yeah. So,
Where do you want to go?
huh?
Bar, couch, or
The bar?
The window. Or the window.
The bar? The bar? The bar? Okay.
Want to sit there?
And then the bar?
And then the door.
Alright, you want to sit here?
Yeah.
Alright, fine. Them not rate the bar flexing, yes? You understand what I'm going, but it's all good.
Alright, so these will be your seats for today and the server will be with you shortly, alright?
Alright, thank you so much. Alright, so this is the VIP lounge area. And yeah, I recommend the VIP lounge area. You know, they're traveling. Nice little relaxing and thing, you know? Yeah. So waiting on server to come now and take out the mask. Yeah, waiting on the server to come now and I guess take our orders and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So yeah. It's a good look. It's a good look. Face shine may I try, you know, but it's a good look. Okay, hi.
how are you?
I'm fine, how are you? Don't mind us, we just working. Alright. So our lovely server is here. And I guess she's about to take our order and
Would you
thing.
care for anything to drink at the moment?
Oh yes.
What would you like? What kind of wine you have? Alright, so for white wine, we have Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, Pinot Grigio, also sparkling wine. And for red, we have Cabernet and Merlot.
It's up to you what you want.
The white one, but it's okay. I'll take. Would you like to take a look at the manager's wine? That's fine.
My glasses, man.
Right? Where is the glasses?
White. In terms of cocktails. In terms of cocktails,
Yes.
you have
Something wrong. Vodka.
cognac, no cognac, rum wise,
Apple cider.
only.
Special. We have a spice rum as well.
Okay.
Aruba.
Okay, all of that.
Aruba.
No, you know what?
Have coconut rum?
Yes.
I'll take that. So, pineapple.
Vodka. Yeah, Smirnoff. Give me the rum and coke, Appleton.
Apple cider.
Yeah.
How would you take it?
More rum, let's go. With us,
Rum and splash of coke.
yes, we have lime, not lime juice, but lime, actual lime.
Let me
Wedges?
check. Just see if they have any lime or what.
Okay. Alright, yeah. Yeah, so.
Order from me.
Huh?
Order from me. Like whatever. They have quesadilla and stuff.
Oh, okay, okay. Alright, here, I'll check out the menu and see what. Oh, wait. So, this is what the menu looks like. Soup, oh, cool. Sandwiches, patties, pasta, treats, and desserts. Yeah. Alright, so, you know, just forward. Yeah. So, rum. No top shelf. They don't have any cognac. Let me say that. No cognac, but you understand? It's nice. So I would really, encourage persons to check it out. If you're here early and think, check it out. It's relaxing and nice. But yeah. Birthday weekend, I am not one that is overly excited for birthdays, like over the top. But my low-key want people excited. You understand? So I'm not gonna be the whole excited out there and thing, but I want people low-key excited, if you get what I say. Yeah, this trip though is not just about for the birthday weekend. It's about doing some business too, buying some stuff that we needed, and other business as well. Let me just say, I like to talk about wealth creation and support. Yeah, multiple sources of income, so always on that. Big ups and shout out to my loyal subscriber, somebody who has given me a lot of ideas and encouragement for sending me that equipment that I showed you guys earlier on in the video for the unboxing. Yeah man, I really appreciate it. I haven't started using it as yet, so the foot is still in my hand, but definitely when I get back I will be using that, alright? Yeah, I don't want to have this long video with just being here, so I'm just gonna chill for a minute, and then when we get on the flight and then when we land and so forth, then I'll show you guys what's happening, alright? Cool. Oh, so I'm gonna have to drink that. Alright, so this is the food. I took these out of another plate, the table looked too crowded, but yeah, so some sliders, quesadilla, some fries, rum and wine. This is shaping up to be something exciting. Yeah, damn, look at that, cheesy. Alright, so I promise no more vlogging until I get on the plane, but I have to show you this. I know how the food go. Much food is over there, so. Alright, so in a real life with Donte, see? In a real life with Donte. So, I have to give a little bit of food, the foodie, Mark Queen style. So I'm mash up on the sliders, chicken slider, and tell them what I go. So me try all Donte.
Yeah, just carry them up.
And bite off piece. But this just dissolve in your mouth.
Oh.
Melt.
Then we know how to do it right.
And get fresh. Nice cheese. Like a white cheddar cheese. Season
Yes.
well. Right amount of spice. Not much
That's what
heat, but
happened. That's what
it's good.
happened.
Yeah, so that's it. Next up on the plate. Alright, last one before we touch the plates in. Alright, so we started doing this YouTube thing and no way I do it here. But so this opportunity here right now, not my subscriber, but when I everything HR, all things HR, yes, her subscriber, the whole VIP lounge, fast track through the airport. Like me feel like me and somebody, you know, then I long till the bed. Me not even get this for sure now that. Can me take out my phone and security. The man must lock me up on the joke. But security I say, yo, no. Them watch it pray. Even the security on that side when I broke the rule with my phone was pleasant. And I said, oh no videoing inside here, and which we should have known already and think, but you know out of the whole traveling thing. But anyway, so subscribe of mine, gift see me they enjoy this. So the point of this is that you see,
How is it going?
awesome, much I so I'm gonna talk about
Thank you.
awesome customer service. I tell you. So yeah, point of this is that you see, if you're thinking about starting a channel, do it. Go along out there and start video so lizard, video so ants. Just start. Yeah? Yeah man. Me say after we eat the people they lounge out. No flight aboard. It's not the flight boarding. Oh, they lounge and that much rum. I tell you so. On the way, all the way to gate 3. And I'm not married. We'll make it still. I say, one piece of running. What a breath. See them run and they drink up free rum. They tell about free liquor, you know. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but we made it. Alright, so we'll go and chill right now. That road was okay. But yeah, smooth so far. You know? Loving the experience so far. And yeah, keep the guys posted, alright, so out from the gate. We are heading to, well, out from immigration, heading to our gate now. Yo, me hate immigration. Let me say, me hate it. But all along, it was a good experience. You know? No roughness make you feel like you're a culprit. You know what I mean? Yeah, so the gate 4. So we have to go speed up with the walking. So next leg, sure no what I'm going, isn't it? But yeah, good vibes so far, man. Nah, lie. Yeah, good vibes. Back in the people and foreign, you know. Yeah man. My friend look good for me, I like it. So yeah, promising us I keep on posted along the way down. Back in the people and place, you know. The people them good foreign. Nah telling no lie, something about foreign. I feel all, none of my skins feel all smoother. I swear. But I sort out 1 and 2 little things before I touch the road, so you know, just 1 and 2 little snippets. So pick up a one ride, you know what thing go. One thing me I tell you, I say, pay attention when you not go to school. Learn to read. Pick up a car and come in, see there. And you have to go in there and figure out what I want, you know. Nobody not there. Yo. Remember me told you, I said nobody not in there. And you have to read and figure out what I want. And deal with your thing and pick up your ride. I swear. So. We growing in one place, people like a kidnapping thing around there. Forget the car no work out. No work out, so we have to push out, grab some food. So the first thing I go is a Wendy's, you know? And spicy burger thing and so.
Girl, we there, a lot of
That's a go on, you know what I'm saying?
No, not yet, girl, not yet.
So after I'm there, you know, I say, people them say them a book out a car and them something and them link pop down. And them a go on like a feed them place. I just make one call and boom, Benz. That. You understand what I say? When they drive around and then come to one place, I say, people, the gunman nearly kill me.
Yeah, man.
I say, alright. So you know where I go. Alright, so we touch the road and now. Nah, but the video about nothing else for the rest of the night until in the morning. But yeah, good brother there. I know I think my wife it. Yeah, you know. I'm just there. I understand. I know I think. I know real life, you know, so I know anything goes, you know. You see it?
Well, me making a read.
Alright, so tell us I keep on posted, right? So after Marsha take on the rental and carry go and kidnapping place, people let me don't understand what go on in a workout. Blessing, we get a ride. See? So I stay at our friend's house and you know I've never been here and thing, but you know I say alright. See what go on and pull up like a red carpet treatment. Yeah, breakfast cook and them up there. And I say, wait, fried dumpling and baking and I tell you, look on the place, look on place. Eh? What I talk about? Listen to me, man. I tell you right now, this trip, tell you guys, you know, it's gonna be awesome and I'm having like crazy fun. Alright, check this. You ever been to somewhere for the first time and how the sleep go? No matter how the place comfortable, sleep kind of shake. You may say I sleep like a baby. I want like a baby bone, give me a draw and then I wake up the baby let me in the night. So, this is just in the morning, not touch the road yet, getting ready, about to touch the road. So as soon as we touch the road, show them what I'm going, alright? Alright, so it's true. Me not too, you understand? The road thing on there, it's just a quick little step, we stop our stoplight. Because no recording and go and me focus. Like I exam me I do on the road there. So with the stoplight, you understand? So yeah. We got this. Out and stunting, you know what I'm saying? Take on the whole place. Yeah, you know we do it. In a real life with the boy that there, you know, thing going on. Hell nah, man, I like.